Hi guys, Brendan and Lana here. Welcome back to our channel. We're sharing our experiences and kind of keeping you current on what's going on in real estate market. So in this video, we will chat a little bit more about the myths, actually the top five myths in real estate, and we're gonna be the Mythbusters. First myth will be some people think that it's a good idea to get pre-approved only after you find your home. You know, you go online, you search for a home, and when we do ask the clients, like, are you pre-approved? Oh no, I just wanted to find my perfect home, and then we can look at the pre-approval process. So what do you say?
Whew, all right, so realistically, you should be getting pre-approved before you even start shopping. There's a few reasons that are absolutely pivotal. One, figuring out what you can comfortably afford if you're taking out a loan. That's going to be tremendous. If you're paying with cash, obviously this one doesn't pertain to you, but with making sure that the loan process is what you need it to be, the pricing is what you need it to be, and you have the tools that you need in order to be able to offer before you offer are going to be huge. Every single agent or every single seller is going to be looking for some sort of proof of funds. And if you're getting a loan, that pre-approval is going to be pivotal for you to be able to make your offer. Yep. Could not agree more. So definitely get pre-approved before you're looking for a home. So that's the lesson right there. So second myth that we will touch base on is you always need to start offer with the lowest price and then you'll negotiate up. Whew. All right, so in some markets that'll work. In this market, with how competitive it is, you may not get a second chance. Being a listing agent myself, I can tell you firsthand, some of my sellers, as much as I try to give some of the buyers a second chance, some of my sellers are not giving the buyers a second chance. So if you really want the home and you're dedicated to it, you definitely want to make sure you don't play games with yourself, because that's ultimately what you're doing. Yeah,
so again, lesson from it, put your best foot forward starting from the first try when you're putting that on the property. So the third myth is pertains to sellers. Let's price the house higher and then we always can bring price down, but this is the top dollar I want, even though the comparable homes does not support it.
Yeah, so again, as a listing agent, I can tell you, when you price the home high, you tend to not get as much traffic. You may not get multiple offers, and ultimately it can stalemate the process. When you price the home appropriately, not only are you getting the appropriate offers, but in addition to that, you may have some contingencies removed that make your life a little easier. So the advantage is there to price it appropriately. When you price it high, ultimately knowing what high is going to be by the professional that you use. So it's really important that you choose a professional that knows the market and can communicate it to you and also articulate it out to everyone else.
Yeah, well, lesson learned. Don't price the house high. Hire a great professional and listen to what they have to say. Their expertise, we definitely can help with that. So another myth, number 4, is renovating your home will always bring you the higher price of the home. So what do you say on that?
Yeah, so this is something that we are very passionate about, especially because we know what it takes to sell a home. We know what buyers are looking for. Definitely not the truth. Renovating doesn't always yield more money. In fact, sometimes it costs you a lot of money. Before you even replace a handle on the door, call a professional, call someone, a real estate agent, call someone who's been in the market, that knows the market, because they can save you thousands of dollars on the renovation process, but they can also save you a lot of heartache, pain, and possibly opening up cans of worms that you're not really excited to open up.
Correct. So renovation does not yield more money.
Not always.
It's not always. So that's 100% truth. You definitely have to look at it case by case scenario, and we would love to help with that as well. And the last Mythbuster, if the home looks really good, then you can skip on the inspection. Who needs that? What do you think?
Yeah, so even if you forfeit your inspection contingency, please, please, please have an inspection. The reason why is because your earnest money, the money that you put in to say you're serious and get the seller to take it off the market for you, still may not be worth as much as what the renovation costs are and how expensive that home could actually be for you. It is vital to know what you are getting yourselves into. I can tell you that even if it's $5,000 worth of earnest money, there's a good chance that if there's a major problem with the home, you're going to far exceed that. And if you're not prepared for that, then going down that rabbit hole just may not be the best opportunity. So I can't see a reason why you would skip an inspection, but also, again, make sure that the inspector is a professional that can be trusted, especially because I don't know about everywhere else, but in the state of Colorado, there is no official license for a home inspector. Home inspector.
Yep. So again, definitely talk to us, talk to a professional out there, but those were the top 5 myths in real estate industry. This is it for this video. If you know anybody who can benefit from this information, definitely share. If you have any questions, comment below. We would love to answer all those questions personally. And of course, subscribe. We'll keep you current on what's going on with the market. But for this video, this is it.
Bye.
Bye. Let's talk about the sellers. Everybody wants to, this.
Can we start over?
Why? What did I say?